Ramzan 0987655192 is the natural number following 191 and preceding 193. In mathematics, 192 is an even number. 192 is the sum of 10 consecutive primes. 192 is a composite number, having as its factors 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Based on this factorization, it may also be seen to be a regular number. 192 is the smallest number with 14 divisors, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, 64, 96, and 192 itself. It is an abundant number, as the sum of its proper divisors is 316, which is greater than 192, and a practical number. Based on its decimal expansion, 192 is a Harshad number and a happy number. In astronomy, MOA 2007BLG192L is a low-mass red dwarf star or brown dwarf hosting an Earth-sized planet, approximately 3,000 light-years away in the constellation of Sagittarius. 192 Nausicaä is a large main-belt asteroid. In computing, 192.168 is the starting IP address of a private network, a network that uses private IP address space. Following the standards set by RFC 1918 and RFC 4193, the Advanced Encryption Standard, in cryptography, is an encryption standard adopted comprises 3 block ciphers, AES 128, AES 192 and AES 256. The search engine 192.com offers searches for people or businesses. In the military, 192d Fighter Wing is a fighter organization of the Virginia Air National Guard located at Langley Air Force Base, Virginia. 192nd Airlift Squadron unit of the Nevada Air National Guard. 192nd Battalion, CEF Canadian Expeditionary Force unit during World War I. 192nd Infantry Brigade, former brigade of the United States Army during World War II. Bristol Type 192 Belvedere was a Royal Air Force twin-engine, tandem-rotor military helicopter from 1961 to 1969. German submarine U-192. No. 192 Squadron was a Royal Air Force squadron during World War I and World War II. Strike Fighter Squadron 192 is a United States Navy F/A-18C Hornet fighter squadron at Naval Air Facility Atsugi, Japan. USNS Henry Eckford was a United States Navy Henry J. Kaiser-class fleet replenishment toiler during the 1980s. USNS Sergeant Sylvester Antolak was a United States Navy Boulder Victory-class cargo ship during the Korean War. US Eisner was a United States Navy Cannon-class destroyer escort during World War II. US Graham was a United States Navy Clemson-class destroyer during World War I. US Hummingbird was a Bluebird-class motor minesweeper during the Cuban Missile Crisis. US Lehigh was a United States Navy Alamosa-class cargo ship during World War II. US Rutland was a United States Navy Haskell-class attack transport during World War II. US Sailfish was a Sargo-class submarine during World War II. 192 is the number of Athenians killed at the Battle of Marathon in 490 BC according to Herodotus. In music, the song 192 by Macedonian pop musician Elena Risteska off her 192 CD, the Life 268-192 CD from Life Jennings. In sports, Jordan 192 automobile the Jordan team drove during the 1992 Formula One season. In telephony, 192 is the medical emergency number in Brazil. 192 is the fire emergency number in Ghana. 192 is the police emergency number in the Republic of Macedonia, Croatia, Serbia, Kosovo. 192 was the telephone number for the directory inquiries, or 153 in the United Kingdom until 2003. In transportation, London buses Route 192. Greater Manchester Bus Route 192 is a bus route that has frequent services between Piccadilly Gardens and Hazel Grove. Former West Midlands Bus Routes 192 and 194 Coventry, England. In other fields, 192 is also the year AD 192 or 192 BC, the atomic number of an element temporarily called an enbium. Minuscule 192 is a Greek minuscule manuscript of the New Testament on parchment. Iridium 192 is an isotope of iridium. 192 is a character in the book This Number Speaks by Jason Patrick Doherty.